get those?
I would help him. I bet he'll do it all by himself. When you see something you want? Aww. You decided to let your brother have his chips.
Just can't reach them.
You gotta try harder. Help him with his legs.
Go get it.
You want something, oh? Here, let him have one, oh. Let him have one, Lewis. See what he does with it.
Lewis, Owen can eat too. No, let him have that one. You have all those. Look how many you got. You've got way more.
That's right, his name's Owen.
Owen gets a chip.
Lewis, I've never seen you so excited about a food before. Trader Joe's Veggie Crisps at a store near you.